What is good, y'all? It's Pod.cannion, and I'm back with another reaction video. This one, you already know, we got the boy CJ. We about to react to...
Big Cash, you know what the fuck going on.
Hell yeah. We about to react to this guy named, well, if you know this song, Because I Got High, he's the one who made that, Afroman. This song's starting to blow up because he had pretty much a warrant to have his property get searched, and then he used that camera footage that the cops did and made a music video out of what they did. And now the cops are suing him because of the music video. So because of that, we're gonna watch that and see who's in the wrong. If the cop was pretty much doing its job and he was looking bad, or if it was the other way around. So here we go. I gotta turn this shit up. When the brightness is already up, crazy.
Nah, word.
Look behind the couch with the strap.
I don't even understand why they need so many people.
Exactly, bro.
Bro.
And like,
Will you help me repair
Bro,
my gate?
what?
open the gate, straight snap the,
Come on.
My door.
Breaking
Break-
the entering line.
broke the door.
Find what you was looking for. Will you
Said, will you help me repair my gate and my door?
my gate and door?
Fuck.
Would you like a slice of lemon pound cake?
That
fat ass.
That nigga
Look
triple,
at him.
That nigga triple.
Look at him.
He looked at it twice and then
Triple take that bitch.
bro,
He look like Bubble Bass.
bubble
He
bath.
about to open that bitch.
Nah, I think they was putting a picture. Well, the guy who made this video, he put a picture of him and Peter Griffin next to each other.
Nah, he probably really do look like that nigga.
The warrant said narcotics and kidnapping.
Narcotics and
The warrant
kidnapping.
said narcotics and kidnapping.
Trafficking.
Are you
Trafficking in drugs.
I make
Who
my
you think he
money rapping. Why does the warrant say narcotics? Well, I know narcotics, but why kidnapping?
No count, that would be me. I'll be like, I know y'all was looking for the weed, but
Any
why
kidnapping
kidnap?
victims inside my suit pockets?
Oh,
Are there any kidnapping victims inside my suit pockets?
they were running through the suits.
You crooked cops.
Yeah, I know.
That's just great. Is that any kidnapping victims in my suit pockets, nigga?
Kidnapping victims in
They got the wrong one.
Nah, for real.
pockets. Let me
I
ask
gotta
you
make
another
sure.
question. Is there 1,000 pounds of weed in my suit pockets? Is there 1,000 pounds of weed
They are
in
insane.
my
Like,
suit pockets?
Like, and that's a whole lot of suits too. Instead of like actually looking for what they need to look for, they're going through each individual suits
not gonna
looking
find
for whatever, bro.
False.
Said any
Let me ask you something else.
Ain't nothing in there, yo.
Any kidnapping victims inside my CD?
goddamn.
They're not looking for
Any
nothing, bro.
kidnapping
They're
victims
just
inside
they're tampering with this man's
the
stuff.
Adams County Sheriff Department?
He's probably in handcuffs outside, probably like ain't nothing about
There
him.
are no
Nah,
kidnapping
that's facts.
victims in
I heard he was
in my
he wasn't even home during this, but his wife and kids were.
That's wild.
That joint was crazy.
How many pounds of weed are inside my CDs? How many
Yeah, I
pounds of
don't,
weed
cause
are
like,
Now
yeah,
what are they really looking for?
exact, because there's on the warrant it says they're supposed to be looking for a kidnapping victim
can get these?
and pounds of weed because it's trafficking in
You're
drugs.
looking through CDs. I would be punching through walls or something.
That would be worse. That would be worse, low key. Imagine they just start punching the walls in.
Are you still in
Start
my
tweaking.
money?
Oh shit, he caught them.
Why are you still in my money?
Oh my God! Nah, that's where I would
dirty as a
have. Yeah,
bitch.
that's where I would have drew the line. Bro. You can't play with my paper when I'm not at the crib.
Look at him. Counting that shit. Yo, we can split this later, y'all. Don't tell nobody. Everybody shut your radios off. Alright. Clear.
I knew they turned the
Look at
shits
him.
off.
The sheriff disconnected my cameras.
Look, I told you.
The sheriff
Sneaky son of a.
disconnected my cameras.
Ooh.
Oh no.
The sheriff should be locked up in slammer.
Nah, this is crazy. Cause
Adams County Sheriff
he didn't sue them. The cops are suing him right now.
Oh. How does that even work?
I don't know how that works at all.
What is he being sued for?
Messing up their image.
Bro, okay.
All I see are replays of the video.
Yeah. Hey, these cops dirty as fuck. Freak.
What'd he say? What'd he say it was? Adams County? I don't know where that's at.
Yeah,
If I see an Adams County sign,
How about it?
let's take another way.
Oh my gosh.
Hell no.
Bro, they really took that man's money. Like, that's a movie scene. Like, I seen that happen in a movie.
That shit is crazy. Like cops really be doing that. That's kind of. He's like, if y'all not gonna pay me, I'm gonna get paid for the
Yeah,
song.
that's what he's saying. He tweaked it out. He tweaked out.
Why the chicken noise, bro? No, for real.
We didn't find anything clear. Nobody's here.
It's crazy.
Sick bastards. They really sick for that, bro.
Like honestly, that junk is crazy. Nah, man. I don't know what I would do if that shit happened to me, bro.
I got
Like,
it.
bro.
I'm
You
just
looking at your cameras and you seeing this?
And I know he probably like, man,
Bro.
ain't no way, boy. With my wife and kids.
Bro, exactly. That would have been the first thing. Because he was like, did you have to traumatize my children?
Us.
I was like, damn, bro. And then they're suing this man.
For one, that's uncalled for. For two, why y'all have the wrong warrant? Y'all looking for a kidnapping, pounds of marijuana, going through the man's closet, looking through his suits, his CDs, really getting personal. And he
For
ain't got
real.
nothing in there.
Ain't
And now y'all suing
shit.
him.
And then they probably left everything the way it was. Like they left the door off the hinges.
Yeah,
Because the
they-
song is
they-
called "Will You Help Me Repair My Door?"
Word. And they messed the gate up too.
And then they just walked out like, "Damn, we ain't find anything, but we took a little bit of his money though."
Yeah, they got paid.
Apparently the cake was missing too.
Yo.
We know who took that shit.
Yeah, you know who took that one. Yeah.
Nah, bro, that was Afroman. Crazy thing, because I probably would have never heard about this if the cops didn't sue. Because that's just what made this story even crazier.
That's a
Because
wild case.
we used to cops being weird, but like now they're getting kind of bold again. So,
Word, that's some
Yeah.
crazy.
but as
Lord
we're
Jesus.
as we're hearing, this man's getting paid from the song, so just stream that junk.
We just
and-
gave him some
yeah,
money.
bro,
We just streamed that for him. You feel me?
exactly, bro. Y'all can do the same, but that's the end of the reaction.
Even though they
video.
suing him,
There's, I don't think that shit.
it can't.
Yeah, it's just like I
That's-
can't take that serious,
it's
bro. Like
not
I feel like
sitting-
the judge is just gonna look at them
It's not sitting right with
and be like, "Y'all get out of my face."
Yeah.
If it's a good judge, that is.
Yeah. You got some dirty judges too.
Yes, they do.
Get
Yes,
deep.
niggas do. Yeah, it's levels to this shit. We not going. We not gonna count, bro. It's levels to this.
Nah,
junk, bro.
word.
Nah, me in the hot box with it. This is the end of this reaction
Shit
video.
really
We got,
boxy.
we got some more coming. But you already know what to do. If you like the video, subscribe if you're trying to see me again, because all niggas do is chill over here. And with that being said, y'all be great. Y'all be safe. Catch you on the next video. Peace.